Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you the best free Photoshop alternative called Photopia. This does not need any download. All you have to do is go to photopia.com and get started. I have made two files with the same settings on both Photoshop and Photopia to show you how good of an alternative Photopia is. You may notice how close of a resemblance Photopia's UI is to the Photoshop UI. That's because it has almost all the features of Photoshop and improves on some of them too. Here, you may notice that in Photoshop, the inner glow is affected by the hue and saturation adjustment layer, making it blue when I set it to green, unlike Photopia where it is not affected, therefore making it easier to use. Photopia has a lot of built-in font that all look amazing, especially for thumbnails, while Photoshop has the basic default fonts. Note that you can add your own custom fonts to both, so neither are limited. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like for more people to see this video and subscribe for more content.